All right, buenas tardes. For this afternoon, you're going to be completing the following slide. It's called Todosobremi, all about me. Every place where you see the red writing that says escribe aquí means you will write something there. The idea is that everything should be in Spanish. I'd like you to avoid looking things up because you should be able to find anything you need in our review packet. So let's go through this together. Mi nombre es, that's just your name. You can just fill it in. If your name is Matt, mi nombre es Matt. Mi comida favorita es, my favorite food is. One is fine. Again, the review packet can help you there. Lo que más me gusta hacer es, the thing that I like to do the most, your favorite activity. This could be a verb, to run, to swim, to ski, to play baseball. Lo mejor de mi familia es, the best thing about my family is. Keep it simple. Something like, they are funny. They like to ski. We watch movies. Anything simple that you can put together on your own using our review packet and not Google translating it. Mi clase favoritas, my favorite classes. Again, review packet. Hoy me siento, that's basically saying today I feel. So answering the question, ¿Cómo estás? Over here for the numbers, you can use numerals. This one is what grade you are in. This one is how many siblings you have. This one is your age. And this one is pets. Let's head over here. Mi animal favorito es, my favorite animal. There are some animals listed under pets in the review packet. Mis mejores amigos son, my best friends are. This one can be in English. Mi película favorita es, my favorite movie is. That can be in English. Lo mejor de mi vacación fue. The best vacation was. So it could be a destination. That can be in English. There's a few things that can be in English, including your name, your best friends' names, your favorite movie, and your favorite vacation destination. Right here we have mi color favorito, my favorite color. Above that, cuando sea grande quiero ser. When I am bigger, I want to be. And lastly, if you can insert a picture of yourself into this center area. Once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and submit it. Remember, this is supposed to be done within the class period. Within the class period. So by 2:35, you should be submitting that. Okay? All right. Buena suerte. Good luck.